Having issues with the colors on your screen and looking for guidance? I'm here to share a comprehensive guide on how to fix the color on TCL Roku TV so that you can enjoy your shows with vibrant visuals. TCL Roku TVs are popular for their smart functionality and affordable pricing, yet sometimes you might run into issues with color distortions. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through this easy step-by-step process to help you fix these pesky color issues. Step 1. Check your connections. Before delving into settings, ensure that all cables are securely connected. Loose or faulty cables might result in color distortion. You want to inspect the HDMI cables and power cables and make sure that they're all plugged securely in both the TV and any external devices. Replace any old or damaged cables if they are damaged. Consider replacing them with new high-quality HDMI cables. Third, test different ports. Switch the cable to a different HDMI port to see if your TCL Roku TV rules out those specific issues. Step 2. Adjust picture mode. TCL Roku TVs come with several predefined picture modes. Choosing the right one can significantly affect color performance. First, access picture settings. Press the home button on your remote and navigate to Settings, TV picture settings, and then picture mode. Second, select the appropriate mode. Experiment with modes such as vivid or movie or sports based on your preference. Each picture mode has a unique settings that impact the color, brightness, and contrast. Third, watch for changes. Observe how the colors change with each mode. Settle on the one with the most that's pleasing to your eyes. Step 3. Calibrate the color settings. Sometimes manual calibration is necessary to get the right colors. Go to Settings, TV picture settings, and then Advanced picture settings. Adjust the color temperature to one that you find suitable. Cool, normal, or warm, whichever gives you the most natural look. Third, tweak color settings. Play with the brightness, contrast, and color settings to balance the picture vibe. Lower brightness might fix overly bright colors, while adjusting contrast can make colors pop. Step 4. Update your software. To check for the latest updates, head to Settings, System Update, and check now to see if there's any pending update. If there are any available updates, follow the on-screen instructions to update your TCL Roku TV to the latest version. Restart your TV and see if the color issues persist. Step 5. Reset picture settings. If the tweaks don't help, you might want to consider a reset. Navigate to Settings, then TV picture settings, and select Reset picture settings. Confirm the reset, as this will restore all your picture settings to their original state, which may fix any incorrect adjustments. After resetting, carefully readjust the settings to suit your preferences once more. By following these steps on how to fix the color on your TCL Roku TV, you're on your way to restoring the vibrant colors of your favorite shows and movies. From checking connections and adjusting picture settings to calibrating settings and updating software, there's a method that suits every scenario. Remember, troubleshooting might take some patience, but with the right adjustments, your TCL Roku TV will display colors that are appealing and true to life. Enjoy watching with a vibrant color experience.